In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove comments in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you've ever opened a document and seen review comments sitting in the margin, this tutorial will help you delete them one by one in just a few simple steps. This is useful when you're finalizing a report, cleaning up a shared document, or getting a file ready to send without any extra notes showing up. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure you're in the correct file before making any changes, especially if you're working on a version with important feedback. Once your document is open, look at the top of Word and click on the Review tab. The Review tab is where Microsoft Word keeps all of the tools for comments, tracking changes, and document proofing, so this is the place you want to be. After that, find the comment you want to remove. You may need to scroll through the document or click on the comment bubble in the margin to select it. When you click on the comment, Word will highlight it and show the options for that comment. Now click Delete. Once you do that, the selected comment will be removed from the document right away. If there are multiple comments you want to clear, you can repeat the same process for each one until the document is clean. This is a very simple method, but it's important because comments can distract from the final version of your file, especially if you're submitting it for work, school, or client review. If you ever want to check for more comments, just keep using the Review tab and move through the document one by one. It's a good habit to review the whole file before you save or share it. And that's it. You now know how to remove comments in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.